lovelies, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well, wonderful. Thank you for watching today. If this is your first time coming across my face here on YouTube, my name is Odette. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I do invite you to please subscribe before you go. I am a mature woman over 50. I do skincare, fashion hauls, a little bit of a baking every once in a while. And if this is something that you want to see, just please subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I have this very simple summer look for you guys, and everything that I use on my face is going to be down below just in case you guys want to create this very simple look. And I've used this palette from Natasha Denona. This came in the Boxy Luxe box, and I love this palette so much. And the lipstick is from Shea Glam. Again, everything is going to be down below for you guys. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Toodles.